Welcome to our exploration of creative possibilities with scrap wood and old timber. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and eco-friendly practices, repurposing materials has become a rewarding and innovative endeavor. This video will delve into the art of transforming discarded wood into beautiful home decor crafts that not only enhance your living space, but also reflect your personal style and commitment to environmental responsibility. Repurposing scrap wood and old timber opens up a realm of creativity. Imagine turning weathered planks from a demolished barn into stunning wall art, or using leftover wooden pallets to craft unique furniture pieces. Each piece of wood carries its own history and character, offering a distinctive touch to your home decor. Projects can range from simple DIY crafts like picture frames and shelves to more intricate items such as custom furniture and decorative accents. By engaging in these creative pursuits, you not only give new life to materials that might otherwise be discarded, but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Join us as we explore various techniques and ideas to inspire your next home decor project. Be sure to stay until the end of the video for all the creative tips and tricks we have in store for you. If you enjoy our content and find it inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you more exciting projects and ideas. Thank you for being part of our community. In recent years, the trend of repurposing materials has gained significant traction, particularly in the realm of home decor. Scrap wood and old timber, often overlooked as waste, present a wealth of opportunities for creative expression. By transforming these materials, individuals not only reduce waste, but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. The act of repurposing encourages a mindset of innovation, where the potential of discarded items is recognized and celebrated. Scrap wood can come from a variety of sources, including construction sites, DIY projects, and even furniture repairs. This abundance of material means that there is a constant supply for those looking to embark on crafting adventures. The inherent character of reclaimed wood, its unique grains, textures, and colors, adds a distinctive charm to any project. Each piece tells a story, bringing a sense of history and warmth into the home. Utilizing old timber provides a fantastic canvas for artistic endeavors. The natural imperfections in wood, such as knots and blemishes, can enhance the aesthetic of a piece, offering a rustic appeal that is often sought after in modern decor. This imperfection is what makes each creation unique, setting it apart from mass-produced items that tend to lack individuality. Embracing these flaws can lead to more authentic and appealing designs. Crafting with scrap wood also fosters a hands-on approach to home decor. This process encourages individuals to engage with their environment, honing their skills and discovering new techniques along the way. Whether it's sanding, painting, or assembling, the tactile experience of working with wood can be incredibly rewarding. This engagement not only cultivates creativity, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as individuals see their visions come to life. In addition to being a creative outlet, repurposing wood can be an economical choice. Many people are looking for ways to decorate their homes on a budget, and using scrap materials is a cost-effective solution. By sourcing wood from local suppliers or even scavenging, individuals can create beautiful pieces without breaking the bank. This affordability makes crafting accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. The environmental benefits of repurposing wood cannot be overstated. By choosing to reuse materials instead of purchasing new ones, individuals help reduce the demand for virgin timber, which in turn helps conserve forests and biodiversity. This practice aligns with broader sustainability goals, promoting a circular economy that values resourcefulness and reduces waste. Each crafted item serves as a reminder of the importance of environmental stewardship. Furthermore, repurposing scrap wood encourages a sense of community. Crafting can be a collaborative effort, with friends and family coming together to share ideas and skills. Workshops and community events focused on woodworking and crafting with reclaimed materials can foster connections among participants, creating a supportive network of like-minded individuals. This sense of camaraderie enhances the crafting experience, making it a shared journey. As individuals become more skilled in their crafting abilities, they often find themselves inspired to take on larger projects. This progression can lead to the creation of functional items that enhance everyday living. By incorporating repurposed wood into their homes, individuals can create spaces that reflect their personal style while also being mindful of their environmental impact. This thoughtful approach to decor can transform a house into a home. The versatility of scrap wood allows for endless possibilities in crafting. From wall art to furniture, the potential applications are vast. This adaptability means that individuals can tailor their projects to fit their specific needs and preferences. Whether it's creating a cozy reading nook or adding a touch of whimsy to a child's room, the possibilities are limited only by one's imagination. In addition to personal use, repurposed wood crafts can also serve as thoughtful gifts. Handmade items carry a sentimentality that store-bought goods often lack. Gifting a crafted piece made from reclaimed wood can convey a sense of care and thoughtfulness, making it a cherished present. This personal touch can strengthen relationships and create lasting memories, as recipients appreciate the time and effort invested in creating something unique. This shift towards sustainability is not just a passing fad. It represents a fundamental change in how we view our environment and the materials we use. Consumers are increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their choices, prompting a resurgence in the appreciation for natural materials. Repurposed wood, with its unique textures and histories, allows homeowners to create spaces that reflect their values while also reducing waste. Each piece of wood carries a narrative, whether it's from an old barn, a vintage piece of furniture, or timber salvaged from a construction site. This connection to the past imbues the decor with character, making each item a conversation starter. The journey of repurposing scrap wood and old timber can also be a source of inspiration for others. Sharing the process through social media, blogs, or community events can spark interest in sustainable crafting. By showcasing the beauty of repurposed materials, individuals can inspire others to explore their creativity and consider new, eco-friendly approaches to decor. This ripple effect can have a significant impact on how people view sustainability in their own lives. As the movement for sustainable living continues to grow, the repurposing of wood will likely remain a prominent trend in home decor. More individuals are recognizing the value of creativity and resourcefulness, leading to a shift in consumer behaviors. The desire for authenticity in decor is driving people to seek out handcrafted items that tell a story, reinforcing the importance of individuality in a world dominated by mass production. Furthermore, the rise of DIY culture has empowered individuals to embark on their own creative projects. With countless resources available online, from tutorials to inspiration boards, people are finding it easier than ever to transform scrap wood into stunning home decor. This not only enhances their living spaces, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride in their handiwork. The process of crafting something from scratch can be incredibly fulfilling, allowing individuals to express their creativity while practicing sustainability. In addition to personal satisfaction, repurposing wood can also be a cost-effective solution. As people seek to furnish their homes on a budget, turning to reclaimed materials becomes an attractive option. Instead of purchasing new, often expensive furniture, individuals can create unique pieces that fit their style and needs without breaking the bank. This approach not only saves money, but also contributes to a more circular economy, where materials are reused and repurposed rather than discarded. The impact of social media cannot be overlooked in this movement. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are filled with inspiring images of DIY projects, showcasing the beauty of repurposed wood in various forms. As people share their creations, they cultivate a sense of community among like-minded individuals who value sustainability and creativity. This visibility encourages others to join the movement, further amplifying the trend of repurposing wood in home decor. Moreover, as the trend gains traction, more businesses are stepping up to support this movement. Artisans and small businesses specializing in handcrafted items made from reclaimed wood are emerging, offering consumers a range of unique products. These enterprises not only provide beautiful decor options, but also promote sustainable practices and the ethical sourcing of materials. By choosing to support these businesses, consumers can make a positive impact on their communities while adding distinctive pieces to their homes. As we continue to embrace sustainability, the techniques for repurposing wood are becoming more innovative. From upcycling old furniture to creating stunning wall art, the possibilities are endless. People are experimenting with different finishes, colors, and styles, pushing the boundaries of traditional decor. This exploration of creativity allows for personal expression and can transform even the most ordinary pieces of wood into extraordinary works of art. In conclusion, repurposing scrap wood and old timber for home decor crafts is a multifaceted practice that benefits individuals, communities, and the environment. By embracing creativity, sustainability, and a sense of community, people can transform discarded materials into inspiring pieces that enhance their living spaces. This journey of transformation not only beautifies homes, but also fosters a deeper connection to the environment and the stories behind each crafted item. Through repurposing, individuals can create a more sustainable future while celebrating the art of craftsmanship. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it inspiring and filled with creative ideas for repurposing scrap wood and old timber into beautiful home decor crafts. Your engagement means the world to us, so if you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects in the future. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us reach a wider audience and continue to bring you valuable insights and inspiration. Together, we can foster a community dedicated to sustainable living and creativity. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.